Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen staple that's been a silent workhorse in many homes for decades, the Hawkins Aluminium 3-liter Classic Pressure Cooker. Hawkins is a name synonymous with pressure cooking in many parts of the world, and this particular model, the CL3T, promises efficiency and durability. So, let's put it to the test and see if it still holds up in today's modern kitchens. First impressions are important, and this cooker certainly looks the part. It's a classic tall design, which I quite like because it gives you more vertical cooking space, especially useful for things like steaming or when you're cooking grains that tend to expand. It's made from pure virgin aluminum, and the exterior is mirror polished. This gives it a sleek, clean look that is easy to maintain, at least initially. Of course, aluminum is known for its excellent heat conductivity, meaning it heats up quickly and evenly, which is crucial for pressure cooking. Now, let's talk about the capacity. This is a 3-liter model, and Hawkins states it's ideal for 3 or 4 persons. This is a pretty standard size for a small family or for someone who primarily cooks for themselves and maybe 1 or 2 others. It's versatile enough to handle a good variety of dishes without being too bulky for smaller kitchens. A key feature that immediately stands out is the base thickness. Hawkins specifies it at 3.25 to 4.06 millimeters. A thicker base is a really good indicator of durability and heat distribution. It helps prevent the cooker from warping over time, which can be an issue with thinner-walled cookers, and it contributes to more uniform heating, reducing the chances of scorching your food at the bottom. This is a significant point for longevity and performance. The core promise of any pressure cooker is super fast cooking, and this Hawkins Classic delivers on that. By increasing the pressure inside the pot, the boiling point of water is raised, allowing food to cook significantly faster than in conventional pots. This is where the real time and energy savings come in. Think about tough cuts of meat becoming tender in a fraction of the time, or legumes like beans and chickpeas, which can take hours to cook, becoming soft and ready to eat in under an hour. Another standout feature is the improved pressure regulator. Hawkins claims it saves more fuel. This is an important innovation because the regulator is responsible for maintaining the correct pressure inside the cooker. An efficient regulator will release excess steam only when necessary, thus conserving heat and energy. This translates to lower utility bills and a more environmentally friendly cooking process. The design of the regulator also plays a role in safety, ensuring consistent pressure is maintained. Let's delve into the usability and practical aspects. The inner lid design means the lid closes from the inside, which is a common and secure mechanism. It generally offers a good seal. The handles are usually ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, though it's always worth checking reviews for specific feedback on handle comfort, especially when the cooker is full and hot. When it comes to cleaning, the aluminum construction, especially with that mirror polish, is generally quite easy to wipe down. However, it's important to note that aluminum can react with certain acidic foods, and over time, it can get stained or develop a dullness if not cared for properly. Regular polishing can help maintain that initial shine. It's also worth mentioning that while aluminum is a great conductor of heat, it's not induction compatible. So, if you have an induction cooktop, this particular model might not be the best choice. The safety features on a pressure cooker are paramount, and Hawkins has a reputation for robust safety mechanisms. This model, like most modern pressure cookers, will have safety valves to prevent overpressurization. It's always good practice to read the manual thoroughly to understand how the safety features work and how to operate the cooker correctly. Now, for the pros and cons. On the positive side, this Hawkins Classic Pressure Cooker excels in durability thanks to its robust aluminum construction and thick base. It's a fast cooker, which is its primary function, saving you time in the kitchen. The fuel-saving aspect of the improved regulator is a significant benefit for both your wallet and the environment. The 3-liter capacity is ideal for small families or couples. The classic tall design is practical for various cooking methods. However, there are a few cons to consider. As I mentioned, aluminum is not induction compatible. If you have an induction stove, you'll need to look at other materials or brands. Aluminium can also be prone to staining and scratching with prolonged use, so it requires a bit of care to keep it looking its best. For those who are very conscious about aesthetics or prefer non-stick surfaces, this might not appeal as much. Also, while it's durable, it's not as inert as stainless steel or ceramic, so very acidic foods cooked for extended periods might react with the aluminium. In conclusion, the Hawkins Aluminium 3-liter Classic Pressure Cooker CL3T is a tried-and-true kitchen appliance that continues to offer excellent performance. It's built to last, cooks efficiently, and saves energy. For anyone looking for a reliable, no-nonsense pressure cooker for everyday use, especially for gas or electric stovetops, and for a smaller household, this is a fantastic option. It embodies the practicality and effectiveness that Hawkins is known for. It's a testament to good design and solid engineering that has stood the test of time. Link in the description.